Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to have a look at causes of engine backfire. Engine backfire is a loud popping or banging noise that occurs when the fuel-air mixture in the engine's combustion chamber ignites outside of the engine's normal combustion cycle. This can cause damage to the engine and its components if it occurs frequently or if left unresolved. So, what are some of the causes that can lead to engine backfire? 1. Ignition timing. If the ignition timing is not properly set, it can cause the engine to backfire. This is because the spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture at the wrong time, causing a backfire. For example, if the ignition timing is extremely advanced, the spark will initiate combustion before the intake valve closes. This can result in backfire inside the intake manifold. Or if the ignition timing is extremely retarded and the spark is supplied when the exhaust valve is open, that can result in explosion inside the exhaust. So wrong ignition timing is the number one cause for engine backfire. 2. Wrong air-fuel mixture. If the air-fuel mixture is too rich or if it is too lean, it can cause the engine to backfire. Rich mixture can cause unburned fuel to ignite in the exhaust system, while a lean air-fuel mixture can cause the engine to run hot, which can also cause a backfire. Hot spots can ignite the air-fuel mixture before the spark is provided, leading to backfire. 3. Faulty spark plugs. Worn or damaged spark plugs can cause misfires, which can lead to backfire. This is because the air-fuel mixture doesn't ignite properly, causing it to ignite in the exhaust system. 4. Faulty ignition system. A faulty ignition system can cause misfires and backfire. This can be caused by faulty ignition coil, faulty distributor, or faulty spark plug wires. If there is a problem with the ignition system, that can miss the exact ignition timing, resulting in misfire and backfire. 5. Exhaust system issues. Issues with the exhaust system, such as a clogged catalytic converter or a clogged muffler, can cause backfire. This is because the unburned fuel-air mixture gets trapped in the exhaust system and then it will ignite, leading to a banging noise heard from the exhaust that we call it a backfire. 6. Vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks can cause backfire by allowing too much air into the engine, which can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite prematurely. 7. Engine overheating. If the engine is running too hot, it can cause a backfire. This is because the heat can cause the fuel-air mixture to ignite prematurely. 8. Mechanical issues. Mechanical issues such as worn piston rings or valves can cause backfire by allowing the air-fuel mixture to leak out of the combustion chamber and ignite in the exhaust system. 9. Incorrect valve timing. If the valve timing is not correct, it can cause the engine to backfire. This is because the valves may not open and close at the right time, causing the fuel-air mixture to ignite at the wrong time. For example, if the intake valve is closing very late, or if the exhaust valve is opening early, that can lead to combustion gases escaping into the intake manifold or to the exhaust manifold, leading to backfire. 10. Dirty air filter. A dirty air filter can cause a lean fuel mixture, which can cause the engine to backfire. 11. Faulty fuel injectors. Faulty fuel injectors can also cause engine misfire and backfire by delivering too much fuel or by delivering too little fuel to the engine cylinders. 12. Improperly adjusted carburetor. An improperly adjusted carburetor can cause a rich or lean fuel mixture, which can cause the engine to backfire. 13. Electrical issues. Electrical issues such as a faulty ignition switch or wiring can cause misfire and backfire. 14. Improperly installed aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts that are not installed correctly can cause issues with the engine performance, including backfires. And finally, 15. Bad fuel, bad gasoline. Bad gasoline or gasoline with a low octane rating can cause the engine to backfire. This is because the fuel may not burn properly, causing the air-fuel mixture to ignite at the wrong time. So dear viewers, these are some of the top causes leading to engine backfire. That is all we have for you in this presentation. If you liked this video, do smash the like button. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.